यो प्रश्न हेरौं के म तिमीलाई सहयोग गर्न सक्छु? Can I help you? Can I help you? म तिमीलाई कसरी मद्दत गर्न सक्छु अथवा के सहयोग गर्न सक्छु? How can I help you? How can I help you? तिमीले मलाई सत्य कुरा बताउनु पर्छ. You must tell me the truth. You must tell me the truth. T-R-U-T-H, truth. यसको अर्थ सत्य अथवा सत्य कुरा. You must tell me the truth. तिमीले मलाई सत्य कुरा बताएनौ भने म तिमीलाई कसरी सहायता गर्न सक्छु र? How can I help you if you don't tell me the truth? How can I help you if you don't tell me the truth? जे भन्नु छ भन. Say what you have to say. Say what you have to say. आफ्नो मनको कुरा भन भन्नलाई चाहिँ Speak your mind. Speak your mind. तिमीले ठूलो गल्ती गर्दैछौ. You are making a big mistake. You are making a big mistake. M-I-S-T-A-K-E, mistake. यसको अर्थ गल्ती. You are making a big mistake. तिमी एक दिन पछुताउने छौ. You will regret it one day. You will regret it one day. म सधैँ तिम्रो साथ हुनेछु. I will always be with you. I will always be with you. म वाचा गर्छु. I promise. I promise. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel, your place to learn English. आउनुहोस् आजको भिडियोमा यसरी नै प्रश्न उत्तरको अभ्यास गरौँ. Are you ready? Let us continue. म आउँदैछु भनेर तिमीलाई कसले भन्यो? Who told you I was coming? Who told you I was coming? मलाई तिम्रो साथीले भन्यो. Your friend told me. Your friend told me. तिमी के सोच्दैछौ? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? तिमी त्यस्तो सोच्छौ अथवा तिमीलाई त्यस्तो लाग्छ? Do you think so? Do you think so? हो, मलाई त त्यस्तै लाग्छ. Yes, I think so. Yes, I think so. तिमीले त्यसरी सोच्नु हुँदैन. You should not think like that. You should not think like that. अब म जे भन्छु त्यही गर. Now do what I say. Now do what I say. मैले भनेको जस्तो गर. Do as I told you. Do as I told you. मैले तिमीलाई केही भन्नु छ. I have something to tell you. I have something to tell you. म तिमीलाई पछि भन्नेछु. I will tell you later. I will tell you later. समय आएपछि म सबै कुरा भन्नेछु. When the time comes, I will say everything. When the time comes, I will say everything. तिमी यसबारे चिन्ता नगर. Don't you worry about that. अथवा don't worry about that. Don't you worry about that. Don't worry about that. अब हामी जानु पर्छ. Now we have to go. Now we have to go. यो छिटो गर अन्यथा हामी ढिलो हुनेछौ. Do it fast or else we will be late. Do it fast or else we will be late. अनि तपाईहरुले यस च्यानल हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु र हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लासलाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नछुटाउनु होला. दुवै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नु होला. यस्तै भिडियोहरु कहिल्यै नछुटाउनका लागि. एकै मिनेट है अनि त्यसपछि हामी जाने छौं. Just a minute and then we will go. Just a minute and then we will go. हामीले उसलाई यसको बारेमा भन्नु पर्छ. We should tell him about it. We should tell him about it. तिमीलाई के थाहा छ त्यो भन अथवा थाहा भएको कुरा भन. Tell me what you know. Tell me what you know. तिमी मलाई किन गाली गर्दैछौ? Why are you scolding me? Why are you scolding me? SCOLD scold भनेको गाली गर्नु. Why are you scolding me? धन्यवाद भन्नुको सट्टा तिमी किन मलाई गाली गर्दैछौ? Why are you scolding me instead of saying thanks? Why are you scolding me instead of saying thanks? किनकि तिमी कसैको कुरा सुन्दैनौ. Because you don't listen to anybody. Because you don't listen to anybody. मैले त सधैँ तिमीलाई राम्रो गरेको छ. I have always treated you well. I have always treated you well. त्यसो भए तिमी के गर्छौ त अब? So what will you do now? So what will you do now? अब यो अर्को हेरौं अब हामीले सोचेर काम गर्नु पर्छ Now we have to think and act Now we have to think and act के हामी पहिला पनि भेटेका थियौं Have we met before Have we met before तिमीले मलाई पहिले देखेको हुनु सक्छ You might have seen me before You might have seen me before मलाई पनि त्यस्तै लाग्छ अथवा मलाई त्यस्तै लाग्छ Yes, I think so. Yes, I think so. यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न अवश्य नछुटाउनु होला Be sure to like and share this video if you haven't done it already. अब हामी जानु पर्छ Now we have to go. Now we have to go. माफ गर तर म तिमीलाई जान दिन सक्दिन Sorry, but I can't let you go. Sorry, but I can't let you go. तिमीले मलाई किन जान दिन सक्दैनौ Why can't you let me go? Why can't you let me go? किनकि तिमीले यहाँ अझै काम गर्नु पर्नेछ Because you still have to work here. Because you still have to work here. मलाई तिम्रो कुराको विश्वास लाग्दैन अथवा म तिमीलाई विश्वास गर्दिन I don't believe you. I don't believe you. तिमी विश्वास गर या नगर यो सत्य हो मैले कहिल्यै पनि झुटो कुरा बोल्दिन I never tell a lie. I never tell a lie. आजलाई यति नै राम्ररी बस्नुहोला Take care. Have a beautiful day.